your brain can eat itself. In extreme conditions, your brain can literally begin consuming itself. That phrase alone makes you pause. What the hell did you just hear? Yet it's rooted in real neuroscience and the implications are chilling. Picture the brain not only pruning unused connections, as it does naturally, but launching a kind of internal self-destruction. When glial cells, microglia, and astrocytes become overactivated, they begin to engulf synapses, neurons, and connections. Researchers in Italy in 2017 found that sleep-deprived mice showed signs of astrocytic phagocytosis. The cleanup crew went wild, eating away even healthy neural links. What does this mean for us humans? It suggests that under extreme stress, chronic lack of sleep, or neurodegenerative conditions, the brain's balance shifts. Instead of just doing maintenance, it starts self-cannibalism. That shifts our picture of the brain. Instead of a monument to control, it becomes a fragile ecosystem, capable of turning inward destructively. And yes, that's a dark tone, but it's real. So the next time someone says, your brain is going to eat you, you might take them seriously, even if only a little. You're a little radioactive. Your body emits thousands of nuclear decays every single second, and it's 100% normal. Inside each of us, elements like potassium-40, a naturally occurring radioactive isotope, are present in tiny amounts. Every second, there are atomic decays happening in your tissues. You're quietly glowing with particle emissions. This fact makes you reconsider what alive means. You're alive because of chemical and atomic flux, not just biology. You're inside a reactor of sorts, extremely benign, but radioactive nonetheless. What's weird is how nobody feels it. We never sense the tens of thousands of decays per second inside us, but they're happening. Our bodies deal with this subtly, constantly repairing, fighting off tiny damage. It's unsettling and yet empowering. You are radioactive, but you're also resilient. You've evolved to handle this internal cauldron of atomic activity. You're literally glowing, just too dim to see. Here's where the tone goes sci-fi. Your body emits light, but your eyes just aren't good enough to see it. Yes, really. Scientists have shown that living organisms emit ultra-weak photons, a phenomenon called biophoton emission, or ultra-weak photon emission, UPE. A 2025 study even measured live mice and plants in ultra-dark boxes, detecting faint visible light that ceased after death. What is this light? It's a byproduct of metabolic reactions, oxidative processes inside cells, and reactive oxygen species events that occasionally eject a photon. It's tiny, far below what our eyes detect, but it's real. Imagine walking around and glowing faintly, but no one sees you. That's you right now. It makes your body feel more like a living star than a lump of flesh. So don't just think of yourself as flesh and bone. Think of yourself as a faint cosmic beacon. You can survive with half a brain. Here's one that sounds impossible, but it isn't. People have lived full, meaningful lives with half or more of their brain removed or missing. In cases like severe epilepsy, children have undergone hemispherectomy, removal of one entire cerebral hemisphere, and still grown into functioning adults, walking, talking, and learning. The brain rewires itself. What this tells us, the brain is malleable, far more plastic than we assume. When one area is gone, other parts step up. It challenges the idea that our gray matter bulk equals full capacity. Instead, it suggests our brains are resilient, adaptable networks. If that half-brain person were your neighbor, you'd never guess the magnitude of what they survived. It's humbling. Your heart has its own mini-brain. Moving from the head to the chest, your heart has tens of thousands of neurons, and some decision-making ability. Research from Karolinska Institutet and Columbia University in 2020